Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Italo Volume Indicator. Alright, so as we can see, the indicator is currently for sale on the MQL5 marketplace at 65 US dollars, but you can also rent for 45 US dollars for a month. However, you can try out the free demo, which is what we're going to be doing in this video. We want to see how the indicator works. Okay, so we're going to test the indicator using our strategy tester. That is what the MQL5 platform permits, okay, prior to purchasing the indicator. So now that the indicator has been added to our navigator, we're just going to drag and drop, click on test. Okay, after that you click on start. All right, so let's just wait for a few seconds for the indicator to be added to our strategy tester, and then we're going to from there analyze how the indicator functions. Okay, now as we can see, this is actually a volume indicator, right? And then it is displayed in a separate indicator window. Okay, according to the MQL5 overview, this indicator works on all time frames and assets. All right, and it helps you to predict the trend. All right, and as we can see here, when we have bullish volume, you will notice the green histograms being displayed, right? And when we have bearish volumes, you notice the red histogram. It's a volume indicator, right? So these histograms, represents the volume, right? Bullish volume and bearish volume. Okay. Now, we can also see this line, all right? This indicator line here, the line was going up at this point, coming down at this point, went up again, came down throughout this period where the trend was bearish. All right, now in this case, we had a little bit of a bullish move though before the trend completely changed bearish. All right, so had it been we had more visual, this is a demo, right? This is a demo, so we have a limited access. All right, so I would have loved to analyze a wider chart, yeah, but because of its a demo, so we have a limited access. So for now I can't exactly say if this particular line represents bullish impulsive move. That's for the green, because we have to see several examples to make that conclusion. But for the red, so far it looks as if it shows when there is bearish momentum, but we also need several examples to make that conclusion. All right, let's just head back to the MQL5 and let's see any other useful information that we have there. Some of the benefits: it predicts trends, filters consolidation, show wave and candle volume at the same time. All right, so I guess this should be the wave volume and this should be the candle volume, right? I'm not sure about that, but let's just see. It's easy to use. There's no overload chart here, of course. These are the parameters, right? Okay, let's see. It shows the real trends, filters out consolidation. All right, this is just an overview, right? But before you make any financial commitments, you can actually try out this indicator, test it out um, on different time frames. You will notice that you can change the time frame that you want to test. But if you want to test on another time frame, you have to go back, to your strategy tester. You click on test again, and okay, let us just briefly stop this particular one. This is on the 1 hour time frame, so I'm going to stop this and I'm going to test on another time frame. All right, so you can actually decide to test on several time frames, before making any conclusion. Ensure that you are comfortable with this indicator before you make any financial commitment. It's very, very important, all right, so that you do not have regrets. Okay. So for example, now I'm going to change this to 15 minutes and click on start. All right. So this is just to show you that you can test it on different time frames, and I would recommend you do that before making your conclusion. Okay. All right. So this is what we have. Okay. So concerning this, well, it seems as if during a bearish trend it's actually red line, and during a bullish trend it's blue line. That is what it seems like. Okay. And then these we have bearish volumes and our bullish volumes, right? So that is also what it seems like. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.